The first step in becoming a successful lucid dreamer is increasing your dream recall. Dream recall is your ability to remember dreams. Believe it or not, you dream every single night. Multiple times, in fact. During an average night of sleep, most adults will have 3 to 6 dreams per night. Even if you think you rarely have dreams, that is not the case. You just don't remember your dreams. An average person remembers only 1 or 2 dreams per week, and many people don't remember any dreams at all. What a waste! Think of all those unique nighttime adventures that you have missed. Did you know that a higher dream recall ability is a significant predictor of lucid dreaming success? Think about it. Imagine diligently trying to induce a lucid dream, succeeding, then waking up with no memory of the epic victory you just experienced. 50% of people recall having a lucid dream spontaneously at least once in their lifetimes. And then account for the fact that most people only remember a couple of dreams per week. It is pretty likely that the amount of lucid dreams a person will spontaneously experience is far greater than once in a lifetime. The more dreams you remember, the more lucid dreams you will remember. As it turns out, our brains tend to delete our dreams pretty quickly after the dream is over. On average, after just 5 minutes, our brains have deleted 50% of the dream's content. And after 10 minutes, 90% of the dream is gone. After REM sleep, or dreaming sleep, our brains release certain neurochemicals that don't allow our dreams to be stored in our memory. But that isn't the only reason we forget our dreams. Our brains typically categorize dreams as whimsical, non-essential thoughts. Much like the way we can't recall what we were thinking about when we were zoned out in the shower this morning. We are more likely to remember dreams with highly emotional content, like a nightmare. You are much more likely to remember a dream in which you are being chased by an axe-wielding clown as opposed to a dream in which you are shopping at a supermarket. Western society often places very little importance on dreams. Did you have nightmares when you were a child? If your mother was anything like mine, she probably comforted you and told you, "Don't worry, it was just a dream." It was just a dream. Although comforting, you can see the undertones in that message that categorize dreams as unimportant and nothing to be concerned about. The Senoi are a group of indigenous peoples located in the Malaysian peninsula. The question, "What did you dream last night?" is the most important question in Senoi culture. I want to quote a passage from Dr. Patricia Garfield's seminal work, Creative Dreaming, to drive this point home. I highly recommend reading this book if you are interested in dream interpretation and using dream work in your daily life. Dr. Garfield writes, "Every morning at breakfast, each family member, youngest to oldest, relates his or her dreams. No one will say, 'I don't know' or 'I don't remember,' for dreams are the most central aspect of Senoi life, and everyone does remember. Many activities from birth to death are largely determined by individual dreams. Children begin to report their dreams at breakfast as soon as they can talk. The authority figures all praise the child for reporting a dream. They ask the child about his behavior in the dream. They tell him what he did wrong in it. According to their system, they congratulate him on his correct behavior. They question him on past events relevant to the dream. They give him suggestions on how to change his behavior and attitude in future dreams. And finally, they recommend social actions based on events in the dream. When the process of dream sharing at breakfast is concluded, many of the family members go off to the village council. Here, the serious work of dream discussion continues. They discuss the significance of each dream symbol and situation. Each council member expresses his opinion of its meaning. Those of the tribe who agree on the meaning of a dream will adopt it as a group project. The Senoi people determine most activities of daily life from the interpretations and decisions that arise out of their council discussions. The Senoi, and many cultures, ancient and not so ancient, widely regarded dreams as sacred. The dream recall abilities in these cultures were undoubtedly much greater than those observed in our Western culture. If you are like most people and struggle to remember more than a couple of dreams a week, or month, or ever, you have nothing to worry about. Improving your dream recall abilities is a learnable skill, and a pretty easy one at that. In this section of the course, we will detail exactly how to improve your dream recall abilities. We will explore the sleep cycle, what it is, and several strategies to maximize your sleep for lucid dreaming. You will learn how to keep a dream journal and how to use this essential tool to begin your lucid dreaming journey. We will discuss foundational concepts for lucid dreaming, such as autosuggestion, which will lay the groundwork for a successful lucid dreaming practice. At the end of this course, don't be surprised if you wake up each morning remembering 2, 3, or more dreams every night. Your nights are about to get much more interesting.